Hello friends! We bring to your attention a new batch of interesting questions in our travel quiz. If you love to travel, are interested in the customs of other countries, you can easily answer all questions. First question. What is the name of Dracula's castle? Correct answer. Good question. Second question. The name of which castle in Germany is translated as New Swanstone? Correct answer. Put like. Third question. The official summer residence of Russian Tsars? Correct answer. Keep playing. Fourth question. What castle inspired the construction of the Sleeping Beauty Castle at Disneyland Paris? Correct answer. Put like. Fifth question. In which palace is the Hermitage exhibition located? Correct answer. Put your answers in the comments. Sixth question. In which palace is the Hermitage exhibition located?
Let's go.
Correct answer. Super, continue. Seventh question. What is the name of the neo-Gothic castle in Toronto? Correct answer. And you all know. Eighth question. In which castle was the Harry Potter movie filmed? Correct answer. Brilliant result. Ninth question. Which castle was built by order of the French King Francis I? Correct answer. It was easy. Ninth question. What is the name of King Arthur's castle? Correct answer. We continue the quiz. 11th question. What is the name of King Arthur's castle? Correct answer. Put like. 12th question. In which castle was Michel de Montaigne born? Correct answer. 13th question. Where is Castel Sant'Angelo located? Correct answer. It was too easy. 14th question. Where is the Château d'If, where Edmond Dantes was imprisoned? Correct answer. Great, congratulations. 15th question. The largest palace in the world? Correct answer. 16th question. The main residence of the English king? Correct answer. Super, continue. 17th question. The biggest mosque in the world? Correct answer. Good question. 18th question. What is the largest building in Florence? Correct answer. Our quiz is over. At the end of the next video, we will name the top 3 winners of this quiz from those who answered correctly and scored the maximum score in this quiz. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and travel with us further.